Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your currency on the Accor ALL application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen, then scroll down to the advanced settings section and tap on it. Then click on the second option, change currency. Here you can select the from the preferred currency section. Here you can find the other ones, but if you want to find it more easily, type it into the search bar at the top. And then just simply tap onto the circle until the checkmark icon appears in it, and then click on the confirm button to update. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.